Question number 7. A room is 4 meter long and 3 meter 50 centimeter wide. How many square meters of carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room? Now, what is the length of room? 4 meter. What is the breadth of room? 3 meter 50 centimeter. We have to find how many square meters of the carpet is needed. So, solution. Area of the carpet needed equals to area of the floor of the room. Now, length of the room equals to 4 meter. Breadth of the room is 3 meter 50 centimeter. That is, students, we have to convert this 50 centimeter to meter. So, 3 meter plus 50 upon 100 meter. Why? Because 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Now, if we add this, then it is 3.50 meter. Hence, we get both the units in same meter. So, we can find area of the room. Area of the floor of the room equals to length multiplied by breadth. That is equals to 4 meter multiplied by 3.50 meter. Now students, if we multiply 4 by 3.50, 4 zeros are 0, 4 5s are 20, 4 3s are 12 plus 2, 14.00. So what is the area? 14 meter square. Therefore, 14 meters square of the carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room. So how many square meter is needed? 14 square meters of carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room. Question number 8. A floor is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. A square carpet of sides 3 meter is laid on that floor. Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. So students, a floor is how much? 5 meter and 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. Square carpet is sides 3 meter and that is laid on the floor. So we have to find how much area that is not carpeted. So first of all, we will find area of the floor and area of the square carpet. So area of floor is of shape rectangle. Hence area of floor equals to length multiplied by breadth. And what is the length? 5 meter and breadth is 4 meter. So 5 multiplied by 4, that is equals to 20 meter square, because this is 5 meter and 4 meter. So area of the floor we get is 20 meters square. Now area of square carpet. So area of square carpet of sides how many? 3 meter. Hence we will take side multiply by side for area of square carpet. That is 3 meter multiply by 3 meter. 3 meter multiply 3 meter is 9 meter square. Now we get area of square carpet also, and we are having area of floor also. Now what is asked? Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. So we will take subtractions of the area of the floor and square carpet. So area of floor that is not carpeted equals to 20 meters square minus 9 meters square. That is equals to 11 meters square. Therefore, area of the floor that is not carpeted is 11 meter square. Question number 9. 5 square flower beds, each of square sides 1 meter, are dug on a piece of land 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. What is the area of the remaining part of the land? So 5 square flower beds is a side of 1 meter. That is dug on a piece of land, and the side of land is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. What is the area of the remaining part of the land? So first of all, we will find area of flower square bed. That is side multiplied by side, because it is square. that is 1 multiplied by 1 and 1 meter square, because 1 meter multiply 1 meter, that is 1 meter square. Therefore, area of 5 square bed equals to 1 multiply 5 meter, and that is 5 meter square. 1 meter multiply 5 meter, that is 5 meter square. Now we have to find area of land. So for area of land is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. So that is length into breadth, because it is rectangle. That is 5 meter multiply 4 meter, which is equals to 20 meters square. Now it is asked find the remaining part. So we will subtract from area of 5 square bed to area of land, that is 20 minus 5. Remaining part of the land equals to area of land minus area of 5 square bed, that is equals to 20 meters square minus 5 meters square. 20 minus 5 is 15 meter square, which is the remaining part area of the land. Therefore, remaining part of the land is 15 meter square. Question number 10. By splitting the following figures into rectangles, find their areas. The measurements are given. The measures are given in centimeters. So students, let us see first of all figure. Figure A. In this figure A, you can identify the students that there are different shapes of rectangle and square. We have divided this figure into 4 parts. First, second, third and fourth. Now students, accordingly we have to write area of rectangle, area of square, area of rectangle and area of square. So we will write the measurements of the different shapes and then we will take total area. Area of first part equals to length multiplied by breadth, which is equals to 2 centimeter multiplied by 4 centimeter, and that is equals to 8 centimeter square. Area of the second part equals to side multiplied by side, because second part is square, that is equals to 3 centimeter multiplied by 3 centimeter, which is equals to 9 centimeter square. Area of third part is also square. Therefore, area of third part equals to side multiplied by side, because area of square is side multiplied by side, which is equals to 3 centimeter multiplied by 3 centimeter equals to 9 centimeter square. Now, area of fourth part is rectangle. So, we will write length multiplied by breadth, that is equals to 2 centimeter multiplied by 1 centimeter, which is equals to 2 ones are 2 centimeter square. Now let us take total area, 8 plus 9 plus 9 plus 2. So 8 plus 9 plus 9 plus 2, that is equals to 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 plus 8 is 28 centimeter square. Therefore, total area is 28 centimeter square. Now let us identify figure B. In figure B, 3 parts are there, first, second and third. All 3 parts are of rectangle shape only and they are having same length. See, our total length is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3 and breadth is 1. Here 3 and here as it is 1. So length and breadth is 3 and 1. Here also length is 3 and breadth is 1. Hence, all 3 rectangles having length and breadth same. So let us find area of the figure B. Area of first part equals to length multiplied by breadth, that is equals to 3 centimeter multiplied by 1 centimeter equals to 3 centimeter square. Then area of second part equals to length multiplied by breadth, that is equals to 3 centimeter multiplied by 1 centimeter equals to 3 centimeter square. Area of third part equals to length multiplied by breadth, that is equals to 3 centimeter multiply 1 centimeter equals to 3 centimeter square. Now we will add all these areas. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals to 9 centimeters square. Therefore, total area is 9 centimeters square. Question number 11. Split the following shapes into rectangles and find their areas. The measures are given in centimeters. Here also different shapes are given. We have to split it into rectangles. First shape is L shape. We have split into two rectangles. So 12 into 2 plus 8 into 2. So area of first part equals to 12 centimeter multiplied by 2 centimeter, that is equals to 24 centimeter square. Area of the second part is 8 centimeter multiplied by 2 centimeter, that is equals to 16 centimeter square. Now total area, if we add this, then it is 40 centimeter square. Now B part. In question number B, you can observe all shapes are of squares. So there are how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 squares are there. Sides of 7 centimeter. So let us find area of 5 square with side 7 centimeter. Therefore area of 5 square, each side is 7 centimeters. So area of 5 square equals to 5 multiplied by 7 square. Why 7 square? Because area of square equals to side multiplied by side, and that is 7 centimeter. So 5 multiplied by 49 is 245 centimeters square. So if we take product of 49 and 5, then answer is 245 centimeters square. Let us observe figure C. In figure C, there are 3 rectangles. 2 rectangles are of length 2 cm and breadth 1 cm. These 2 rectangles. Third rectangle are of length 5 cm and breadth 1 cm. Here 4 is there and here this 1 is there. So 4 plus 1 total length is 5 cm and breadth 1 cm. Hence, area of first part equals to 2 cm multiplied by 1 cm equals to 2 cm square. Area of second part equals to 2 cm multiplied by 1 cm equals to 2 cm square. And area of third part equals to 5 cm multiplied by 1 cm equals to 5 cm square. So, what is the total area? 2 centimeters square plus 2 centimeters square plus 5 centimeters square. Therefore, total area equals to 9 centimeter square. Question number 12. How many tiles whose length and breadth are 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively will be needed to fit in a rectangular region whose length and breadth are respectively? Now, rectangular region length and breadth are given different, that is 100 cm and 144 cm. This is the length and breadth of the tile. So let us find how many tiles is needed to fit. So first of all, here area of the rectangle equals to length multiplied by breadth. And what is given in question? 100 cm and 144 cm. So 100 cm multiplied by 144 centimeter equals to 14,400 centimeters square. Now how it is? 144 multiplied by 1 is 144 and we have added these two zeros. Now let us find area of the tile. Area of one tile equals to 12 centimeter multiplied by 5 centimeter, and that is equals to 60 centimeters square, and this is the given, this length and breadth of the tile is given in question. Now what we have to find? We have to find number of tiles. So number of tiles equals to area of rectangle upon area of one tile. So area of rectangle of first 100 centimeter and 144 centimeter length and breadth was 14,400 centimeters square upon upon how much? Upon 60 centimeter square. So 60. Now let us find, reducing these fractions, let us find number of tiles. 0, 0 cancel. 2 3s are here. 2, 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 720. 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12 and 0. So how many tiles needed? 240 tiles needed. Hence 240 tiles are needed. Now for question number B, length is 70 centimeter and breadth is 36 centimeter. So area of rectangle equals to length multiplied by breadth, 70 centimeter multiplied by 36 centimeter. Now if we multiply 70 by 36, so first of all 7 6 are 42 and 7 3 are 21 plus 4 252, and then we'll add this 0, 2520 centimeter square. Now area of one tile equals to 12 centimeter multiplied by 5 centimeter, that is given in question, which is equals to 60 centimeter square. This is given in question. Now let us find number of tiles for 70 centimeter and 36 centimeter. Number of tiles equals to area of rectangle upon area of one tile. So area of rectangle here was 2520 upon 60. Now 0 0 cancel, 2 3s are 2 12s are 24 and 26, and here 2 4s are 3 4s are 12 and 3 2s are 6. So how many tiles are needed? 42 tiles. Hence 42 tiles needed. Thank you.